Today we are going to do an experiment of class 11, that is screw gauge. So first of all we'll see a demo video, then we will go to our lab. So let us see. So what is the aim of this practical? The aim of this practical is use of screw gauge to measure the diameter of a given wire and the measure the thickness of a given sheet. This is our apparatus, screw gauge. So these are the dimension we have to measure wire, spare or sheet with the help of screw gauge. So first we'll count the zero error. There are two scales in this, circular and main scale. Inside is main scale and rotating is circular scale. As you can see, number of division on circular scale is 15. So pitch is 1 mm, and with the help of pitch we can calculate the least count. The least count is 0.5 upon 50. It means 0.001 centimeter. Now we will place the object in between the studs of screw gauge and start rotating the circular scale till the time it is fit, and we will rotate from the ratchet. And when we will rotate till it fixes gently in between it. We will take the reading on the linear scale and the circular scale. We will record the reading in the observation table. Okay, then we will do the complete the experiment. So now move to our lab for the screw gauge practical. So first of all, what we will see, if I will rotate this ratchet, you can see the main scale and the circular scale. So what I'm gonna do, I will close it. Now you can see this zero of circular scale is coinciding with the main scale. So this is how we can measure the zero error. So if it is coinciding with it, it means there is no zero error. If it is not coinciding with it, there will be a zero error. Zero error could be of two types, positive and negative. If this zero remains little bit behind, like you can see uh, this, so there will be negative zero error, and if it goes beyond it, then it will be positive zero error. So let us open it and start measuring the diameter of the sphere. First of all we do that. Okay, so from where I am rotating it, it is ratchet. Ratchet means to rotate this very gently. So we will place this sphere. Now we will start rotating it. So till the time we will rotate till it fixes gently in it. Okay, so you know that the least count of screw gauge is 0.001 centimeter. In the previous video I have discussed about pitch. Pitch means कि in one rotation, like if we see right now it is at 30, so if I rotate it and again till reach to 30, so how much distance it will move, that is called pitch. So in one complete rotation, the screw gauge is rotated at what distance is called pitch. Generally what we have in our labs, in our school lab, that is 1 mm. The pitch of that screw gauge is 1 mm. It means ki if we rotate the circular scale one time in one complete rotation, on the main scale it will rotate 1 mm. Then we will divide the pitch by the number of number of divisions on the circular scale, then we will get the least count. The least count is of screw gauge is 0.001 centimeter. So we can now you can see it is not moving. So now we will take reading. So as you can see on the main scale, it is 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So main scale reading is 25 centimeter. Now we will take the circular scale reading. Now you can see this line on the main scale. A straight line is going to circular scale from 1, 5, 10, 15. So you can see the straight line. As you can see, the straight line is coinciding with you can see the straight line is coinciding with the 30. 30 division. So it means the circular scale reading is 30. Okay, the main scale reading is 25 and the circular scale reading is 30. So we will write experimental details. Okay, so these are the experimental details. uh, Record the reading in the observation table. Okay, so length of the smallest division, what we'll gonna do, least count we have calculated, that is 0.001 centimeter. Okay, then we'll go up, length of the smallest division on the linear scale, so 1 mm है. Okay, then distance moved by the screw gauge, in rotating through x complete rotation. uh, ओके, तो डिस्टेंस हो गई 1 mm, 1 mm ही रोटेट कर रहा है वो, वन कंप्लीट रोटेशन में. पिच ऑफ द स्क्रू इज 1 mm. एक्चुअली ये यहाँ पे कहना चाह रहा है 1 mm ऑब्लिक 1 mm ऑब्लिक 1 रोटेशन, यानी 1 रोटेशन 1 ऑब्लिक. ओके, सो रोटेशन. नेक्स्ट वी हैव नंबर ऑफ डिविजन्स ऑन द सर्कुलर स्केल, उस हम अपने हिसाब से कर लेते हैं 50. So least count will be 0.01. Zero error, zero, no error, zero error will be there. Okay. Now, linear scale reading was 25. Okay. Then circular scale reading was 30. Clear? Circular scale reading was 30. Now what we will do, diameter we will do calculating. So what the formula is main scale reading, and you have to multiply the circular scale reading with the least count. So first you will do the multiply of circular scale reading with the least count. It means 30 you will multiply with 0.001 centimeter. Okay, so you will multiply, so you will get 0.030 meter centimeter, sorry, you will get 0.030. If you will multiply in your copies, you have your copies with you, so multiply 0.001 with 30. So when you will multiply 001 with 30, what you gonna give? You will give 0.030 centimeter. Okay, now we have 25 mm. 25 mm means 2.5 mm or 2.5 centimeter. So what will be the complete reading? 2.5, this you will plus with 0.030. Okay, so your answer will be 2.530 centimeter. So the answer will be 2.530 centimeter answer. Similarly, you can calculate the other reading. From another side, you can take reading 2-3 readings. Yesterday we were talking about the errors. So in errors, first of all, we have to take mean. So to reduce the error, we can take means. Okay. So then after taking 2 or 3 readings, you can calculate the mean. Okay, mean, or here we have taken in centimeter, multiply it with 10, so you will get in millimeter also. Okay, mean corrected value means if you have a zero error, positive or negative. If I have a positive zero error, so minus that value from it. If we have a negative zero error, then plus that value with it. Then we will finally calculate the result. Yes, the final diameter of sphere is this value. Okay, so hence we have done with our first practical, that is screw gauge to determine the diameter of a sphere with the help of screw gauge. Thank you so much.